Fáilte Rash, welcome back to our everyday Gaeilge weekly mini lessons for our newsletter subscribers. If you're watching us later on YouTube and you're not subscribed, you can do so down below. Get free goodies every week for you and the family to be able to learn Irish, real practical Irish every day. Today we're going to look at how to ask can I have in Irish, because this is a very popular question that popped up again this week as well from one of my followers. So it reminded me to do a little lesson on this one. Can I have in Irish? There are actually a few different ways to ask can I have in Irish. So we're going to look at a few of them here today. And this does not mean that they're the only ones. These are just the most popular ones and the ones that were used in the Gaeltacht where I lived as well. So one way to ask can I have is to use an féidir. So an féidir lum is can I, basically, can I. An féidir lum. An féidir lum. An féidir lum is can I. You would put in whatever you're asking for here. So I'm going to go with the example of mola, which is bag. An féidir lum mola a all. And then a all is to get. So it's basically, can I get a bag? An féidir lum mola a all. An féidir lum mola a all. Can I get a bag? You can pop this into aber.ie to be able to hear it in the different dialects as well. Now, where I lived, this was used most commonly for asking can I have in Irish, and it's an bhéitean something at all. Can I get something? An bhéitean something at all. So an bhéitean mola all. Can I get a bag? So this would be a very handy one to use. It's just a shoppa in the shop. An bhéitean mola all. Can I get a bag? This is the mo cnílach here. So basically it's saying would I be able to? And again, you can pop this into aber.ie to hear this in the different dialects. Agus bailachháin eile, another way is an féidir mola a bheith agam. Can I have a bag? So to bheith agam is to have something, like to own it, to have it. An féidir mola bheith agam or a bheith am. A bheith in Connacht. Again, you can pop this into aber.ie and hear it in the different dialects. An féidir, whatever it is you would like, a bheith can I have something? So for can I have in Irish, basically just pick one of these ways that you would like to use first and then get used to using that way, and you can also change it up later. Gur míle maith, thank you so much, Arisht. Again, feicime an seachtain se hugan hu. I'll see you next week. Slán go fóill, bye for now.